If you've ever opened a Telegram message by accident and wished you could go back and mark it unread, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to unread a message on Telegram using the desktop app so you can keep chats organized and come back to them later when you have more time. This is a super simple trick, but it can be really useful if you want to flag a conversation, remember to reply later, or just keep important chats from getting lost in the middle of everything else. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips and step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer. Once the app is open, take a look at the chat list on the left side of the screen. This is where all of your recent conversations are displayed, and it's also where you'll choose the chat you want to change. Now find the conversation you want to mark as unread. You can scroll through your recent chats or use the search bar if you have a lot of messages and need to locate a specific contact or group faster. After you've found the chat, right-click on that chat. A menu will pop up with several options, and this is where Telegram gives you quick controls for managing the conversation. From that menu, click on Mark as Unread. As soon as you do that, Telegram will mark the chat as unread, which helps bring your attention back to it later. This is especially useful if you open the message too early, got distracted, or just want to remind yourself that there's still something in that conversation you need to check. And that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can unread a message on Telegram desktop and keep your inbox organized the way you want it. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick Telegram tutorials, app tricks, and helpful how-to videos.